Experts in kitchen remodeling, Bay Area Construction Remodeling. Looking for a high-quality renovation at a reasonable cost? Look no further than Bay Area Remodeling Construction. You can only rely on us to provide quality service and outcomes. Do you want your new kitchen to be distinctive from others? Do you want to make sure that everyone talks about your kitchen? If so, Bay Area Construction Remodeling is your best option. We specialize in offering high-end kitchen renovations at competitive prices. Let's look at some reasons why you ought to pick us for your Dublin kitchen remodeling project. Our team of experts is skilled in all aspects of construction and renovation, and we have years of experience offering top-notch construction services. We promise that our work will be finished on schedule and on a tight budget, ensuring the success of your project. Regardless of the size or complexity of the job, our team makes use of the most recent tools and technologies to guarantee that every project we complete looks stunning. Before, during, and after each project is finished, we work hard to deliver excellent customer service. Our team can assist you in coming up with a unique plan for your kitchen renovation that satisfies all of your requirements. We are aware of how crucial it is for you to have a kitchen that is both fully functional and aesthetically pleasing. Together, you and one of our designers will develop a special design strategy specifically catered to your tastes, way of life, and financial constraints. Our team will start working immediately to transform your current space into something extraordinary as soon as the design is complete. We take great pride in only using the best materials available to build our projects. As a result, we can guarantee that every project we complete will be free from issues or problems caused by defective materials or workmanship during the renovation process. We always promise to deliver excellent results, whether you need cabinets, countertops, appliances, or anything else for your kitchen renovation project. We at Construction Remodeling are aware of the high cost of kitchen renovations. Because of this, we provide affordable prices without sacrificing product or service standards. We work hard to offer the best value for your money so that everyone can get the gorgeous new kitchen they want without going over budget. While remodeling a kitchen can seem like an overwhelming task, you can relax knowing that you are in good hands with Construction Remodeling in Bay Area by your side. Every job we complete comes with a satisfaction guarantee and high-quality service at a reasonable cost. Therefore, look no further than Construction Remodeling in Bay Area if you're looking for a trustworthy company for all of your remodeling needs. Get in touch with us right away to begin designing the ideal kitchen space that is specially designed for you. Thanks for watching.